We divide 751 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 1 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 751 divided by 5 is 150 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.